Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. Today we're taking a look at our 2.5-inch lift for the Jeep JL. Lift kits and wheels and tires go hand in hand. This kit allows you to run a 35-inch tall tire, which we have right here. This is a Nitto Ridge Grappler, which is an aggressive all-terrain tire, so you get the best of both worlds. The rideability of the all-terrain tread and the aggressive good looks of a mud tire on the sidewall. So combined, the larger wheels and tires and the lift kit are going to give us our overall lift. Now the lift kit's going to raise the vehicle to allow for the larger tires, and we combine both of those and we get exactly what we want. This is a spring replacement kit. We offer this kit as a spacer kit, and if you're just going for a look with very mild off-roading, you can use that kit. But I recommend the spring replacement kit if you plan on doing any serious off-roading and are looking for a great kit to build on. We also include extended sway bar links front and rear, as well as bump stop spacers front and rear. And the kit also has several shock options, and we'll take a look at those now. We're going to start with our N3 Premium Shock Absorber. This is a nitrogen charged shock. It is a great choice. It is going to be our entry-level shock, but you can't go wrong with it. It's going to give you a ride as good or better than the factory. From there, we level up to the M1. This is a monotube shock, so we make sure that the oil and the nitrogen are completely separated. There's no cavitation. This is a brushed body. It also mounts inverted for a great look. Our next tier is going to be our V2. Now this is also a monotube shock. It takes all the best features from the M1 and upgrades them to an aluminum housing for better heat dissipation, billet ends. This also mounts inverted and looks great. And last but certainly not least is the ultimate, our Vertex Shock. This is a reservoir shock, so it's going to keep the fluid in a separate reservoir, keep it nice and cool. It's got an aluminum body, a massive piston and shaft. And not only that, it is fully adjustable with 8 different positions, so you can dial in the perfect ride for your ride. Installation of the kit is very simple. We allot 3 to 4 hours for it. There's no cutting, no special tools required. You can easily do it at home with a ratchet set, a couple of jack stands, and a jack. To see just how easy this installation is, click on this card and we'll go through it together. And soon your Jeep will be ready for even more rough country parts, maybe the spare tire relocator and the tailgate reinforcement. Whatever's next for you and your JL, you'll find it today at roughcountry.com.